Hello everyone! Are you experiencing some problems in your Google Meet, especially when you are presenting on your class? One of the problems that I have, and I know that you also have this if you don't have that strong internet, is that when you present and use the Chrome tab, the audio on the video is lagging, and I know that you don't want that in your class. One of the example is here. Here is an example of presenting using a Chrome tab. So let's see. For example, here. So when
Madali lang ito. Una, kailangan mong gumawa ng ganitong presentation. Pwede kang
having that kind of presentations is really annoying and frustrating, right? But I am so glad right now that I already resolved this issue by using a unique audio driver that is already on our computer. It is called Stereo Mix. The good thing about this stereo mix is we could still be able to share our presentation, especially with the sound that we need when we use this your entire screen and a window. Just remember that when you use that stereo mix, always unmute the microphone so the system could catch up all the sounds that we need in our presentation. So what we just need to do is to check if that unique driver is already in our computer. So let's first check on the settings of our Google Meet. So let's click here and check the settings. And then see here on the microphone if the stereo mix is already on your computer. So if the stereo mix is already here, you are ready to go. The good thing about this stereo mix is we can already play our videos from our computer as well as from YouTube, from our Google Drive, and also in our PowerPoint presentation without the lag that we experience from presenting with the Google tab. However, the disadvantage of this stereo mix is that when you activate this, the microphone would be turned off. So the simple solution is that after playing the videos that you need, you just need to change it again on your microphone so your students could be able to hear you. What if when you go on your microphone, there is no stereo mix? What you can do is go here at your computer. So click this speaker icon, right click, and then click the open volume mixer. And then click the system sounds, and then a box will pop up when you click it. And then click this recording. So as you can see, I already have here my stereo mix. But sometimes it doesn't show. You just need to right click and then check this show disable devices. But if this stereo mix is not showing, even though you already checked the show disable devices, it means that an audio driver is missing on your computer. So what you just needed to do is go here at your Google search. You should know the brand name of your computer, the model type, and then you just need to type the audio driver. So in order for you to know the brand and the model of your computer, you just type system information. So here on the system information, you could see the brand of your computer and then the model of your computer. As what you can see on my search box, I have here Dell for my brand and then Inspiron 660 and then type audio driver. And after that, you can choose the driver from the company of your brand So since I'm using Dell computer, I will click this. It will be also safer for us to download drivers from the legit sources. Now, I'm here on the driver and downloads of the Dell. I will just search audio driver. And after that, it will show all the options that you need for your audio driver. You just need to click download and then install it in your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video resolves your issue in presenting videos and presentation in Google Meet. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.